Waxahatchie Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for Philip Olive Weideman, who goes by Ollie, a white boy, 6 years old, 4 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds. He has blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing a blue polo shirt, tan shorts, and tan shoes. Police are also looking for Candace Rochelle Harbin in connection with the abduction. She is a 46-year-old white woman, 5'6", 165 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. The suspect is driving a 2012 white Nissan Quest with Texas plates FLW 5767. The suspect was last heard from in Waxahatchie. Anyone with information on this alert, contact the Waxahatchie Police Department or call 911.